20 minutes long run gives good immunity and strong willpower. 40 minutes will give you emotional balance, good sleep, good memory, and healthy skin. If you run 60 minutes long without a break, then this will give you a good mood. The mood is different from emotions. Emotions usually last minutes, whereas the mood can last for hours and days. If your mood is suffering and you look towards everything badly, if you don't like anything, you don't like where you live, the people around you, and so on, then if you run 60 minutes regularly, your mood will become excellent. You will start to look towards the world with optimism. And also there are many health benefits, like if you have any blood vessel disorders, atherosclerosis, thrombosis, vascular spasms, high blood pressure, heart attack, stroke, and other related issues to the blood vessels, then running can really help, because 60 minutes long run, it goes really deep into your body and everything that is connected with the blood system will start to work much better. And also, if you have joint problems such as arthritis, or you have bone problems such as osteoporosis, or muscle problems, or some issues with ligaments and so on, then 60 minutes long run can really boost your health, really help you to reverse all such diseases. Normally those who have joint problems or who have high blood pressure, they also have very low mood, and it really comes together very often. So if you run 60 minutes, or if this is something difficult, you can also walk, just need to do it twice longer, so 120 minutes or 2 hours long walk once every 3 days. Then your mood will become excellent, and also you can reverse such things as high blood pressure or arthritis and so on. If you start to walk this amount while you have joint problems, they will start to heal. If after the walk your joints will feel sensitive or uncomfortable, it does not mean that they are being damaged. It means that they are healing. Joints are being healed gradually. First, maybe one joint will be feeling sensitive after walks, then after a few months maybe some other, and thus your body will go back to good health gradually. Also, blood pressure improvement can be noticed very soon after walks, but still, if you want to keep constant benefits, you need to do it regularly. And even at old age, the body knows how to regulate blood pressure or any other functions. It only lacks the energy to do so. Running and walking will give the necessary energy to the body. You only need to do it correctly. Run in a relaxed way, do it in a way that is not difficult for you, that you can breathe peacefully, that you could even maybe speak even while you are doing it. Especially walking, it should be comfortable, relaxed. Running as well should be that you can really do it for a long time, that you don't get tired too much, that you can do it, you feel some heat in the body, but you are doing it in a way that you can breathe peacefully at the same time. So do this, do it in a positive mood, listen to something positive while you are doing these activities, and you will get a lot of health benefits from this.